Hi guys, today is Monday. It's 9:26 and we're about to make some cookies. It's the right time to make them. Oh, I just stepped up on her. So this is my friend Oda and she invited us to celebrate New Year together and we are in Lyon. It's another city in France. Hi! So we're gonna have to cut our butter. At the same time I can cut the chocolate if you want to. Yeah. Okay. So basically today we were just walking around the city. It's my first time being in this city and there's also Sasha just right there in the background, but she has to work. It's our first time in this city and it's so freaking cold outside. Yeah, I was not expecting this weather. Look who is here. Hello. I hope you guys ready to see the result. It doesn't even look that ugly. This is the first part that turned out a bit ugly. We didn't add enough of flavor, but it's fine, you know. And the second part, we have a little one. She's so cute. We're gonna make some tea and then we're gonna taste it. Today is Tuesday and today's New Year. It's 31st December. We started to cook our dinner and I'm cutting some vegetables because I'm going to make a salad and Sasha is going to make a tiramisu. And then what we have for the dinner? We'll have some duck. Duck. Some duck with potatoes, guys. We are going to cook. Olivier salad. Olivier duck with potatoes. We did some grocery today and yesterday we bought some things like fish and then like caviar. Yeah, because we're Russian. We boiled the eggs and then I cut some ingredients and I have to cut some more, so let's do that. Ready with girls and our dinner is almost done. I'm so excited to eat because we were snacking all day long. So many things has happened in 2024 and I'm super excited for 2025 and I can't wait to see what the future holds. I would describe these days in one word and I would say girlhood. We're having so much fun with girls and I'm just so happy to be here. Let's go and eat some food. Today is Wednesday. It's currently 3 p.m. Yesterday we were talking with girls until 6 a.m. Can you imagine how tired we are today? So basically we woke up today and we were so tired and like so swollen, like I couldn't even open my eyes. So we took a shower, we had our breakfast, we ate everything that we had from yesterday, and now I wanted to do some cookies, so let's do that. And today is a sunny day, so we'll probably just go somewhere, go outside, and yeah, such a beautiful day today. I feel so cozy. And yesterday we decided to open all the gifts, even though I wanted to do that this morning, but the vibes were so right, like the moment was so right. Happy New Year everyone, may all your dreams come true, and thank you for all your love and for your support. Days with no makeup are actually the best. Like I feel so good. And I'll show you the product that I really love. Hold on. This product from Rode is such a lifesaver. So if you were wondering if this product is good or not, give it a try. I really love it. I think it's such a lifesaver when you're tired, like you're really not in the mood to do all your skincare. You just put this one on your face and it just looks so beautiful. Today is Thursday, it's 10:50 and today we're going back to Paris. I just packed my luggage. Honestly, all these days were just amazing. Most of the time I'm super tired of people. Like I cannot spend 3, 4, 5 days with someone. I need to have my own time, but here everything is good and I'm just so happy because I thought about it before we arrived. We found this cute little place to have our breakfast. The problem is that we're sitting separately, so girls are there and I'm sitting here.